So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to convert TRX to USDT. So first of all you will have to come on Binance.com and then log into your account. After that click on wallet and then click on fiat and spot. After coming on this window you guys will look for this search option and now type here TRX. The first option will arrive and then choose its convert option. After coming on this window, you guys will see this option. Now click on it and then type USDT. Now choose this option and now type here the amount you want to convert. Let's say I want to convert 50 TRX. Then I'll type 50 here and then click on preview conversion. So guys, as you can see, it will show you how much your 50 TRX are worth it in USDT. And if you have the sufficient funds, then you can click on this button that will convert your TRX into USDT. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.